Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome to my channel MBBS and BDS lectures. Today our topic is related to histology, simple columnar epithelium. Before going to explanation, if you want to watch the same lecture in Urdu Hindi, I already upload the same lecture in Urdu Hindi on my YouTube channel. Go and watch that video. But if you want to watch in English language, then this lecture is for you. Now, today topic is simple columnar epithelium. Today topic outline include we study definition of simple columnar epithelium, structure, location or distribution, and number 4, function. First we start from definition of simple columnar epithelium. Arrangement of columnar cells in a single layer is called simple columnar epithelium. Mean, if columnar cells arranged in a single layer is called simple columnar epithelium. Like this is the single layer arrangement of simple columnar cells and they make a simple columnar epithelium. This is the definition of simple columnar epithelium. Now come to the structure. In structure, this is a basement membrane on which the columnar cells arranged in a single layer. The columnar cell have height more than its width or breadth, and they have a cylindrical nucleus which present at base of cell. And in structure, cilia or microcilia may be present on the top of these cells. If cilia is present, then this is called simple columnar ciliated epithelium. If cilia is not present, then this is called simple columnar non-ciliated epithelium. And microvilli may be present on the top of these columnar cells. It depends upon position where it is located. Now come to location. There are 8 places in our body where simple columnar epithelium is present. Number 1, gallbladder. Gallbladder is lined by simple columnar epithelium. Number 2, uterus. Uterus is lined by simple columnar epithelium. The third is oviducts. Oviducts is lined by simple columnar epithelium. The fourth is large ducts of glands. Mostly the large ducts of glands are lined by simple columnar epithelium. The fifth is papillary ducts of kidney. Papillary ducts of kidney is lined by simple columnar epithelium. And number 6 is stomach, and 7 intestine, and 8 rectum. Stomach, intestine, and rectum also lined by simple columnar epithelium. These are the 8 places where simple columnar epithelium is present. Now come to function. There are 3 functions of simple columnar epithelium. Number 1, secretion. Simple columnar epithelium is responsible for secretion. Number 2, absorption. Number 3, propulsion of mucus. Where simple columnar ciliated epithelium is present due to the propulsive movement of cilia, it is responsible for propulsion of mucus. These are the 3 functions: secretion, absorption, and propulsion of mucus. Now today we studied simple columnar epithelium definition, structure, location, function. Now today our topic is complete. If you like my videos, press the like button and share these videos with your friends. If you new to my channel, subscribe my channel by pressing the red subscribe button and also press the bell icon to open the all notification for receiving my each new video notification. For watching my videos, I am very thankful to you. Thank you very much.